Hi guys, welcome back to Beyond Infinity Tarot channel. It's been a while since I posted any videos because I was dealing with some things, and now everything is fine. So I'm here with the new pick a card reading, and so today's topic is to September month's thing for you all. And I've seen all the comments about the suggestion that you guys are giving me. So what next topic should be, and I will post ratings on all those topics that you guys are suggesting, so stay tuned and thank you for being patient. So here is your selections of the pile. Okay, so pile 1 is going to be 8 of wands, pile 2 is going to be 4 of cups, and pile 3 is going to be 9 of cups. So select your option you feel most drawn to, and let's start with your reading. Hi pile 1, so you chose 8 of wands. This is going to be your reading. So first thing, I feel like the September month's main focus is going to be all around your work and career, but I feel like you guys are waiting for some communication from someone specific, and you're kind of manifesting this person or manifesting a communication with them. Okay, and I feel like you guys can be, or yeah, like very intuitive, or you guys are doing certain manifestations. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here, and those manifestations are going to come true, and only those which is really good for you. Okay, yeah, and you guys are very intuitive. Okay, that's what I'm feeling here. So someone may have a very strong Pisces in their chart, or you guys are very emotional, okay, in general. And so I'm seeing the communication is coming. Okay, so if you are waiting for a communication, and if this person has a very good intention towards you, this person is going to make sure that they have this conversation with you. Okay, so they have so much to tell you about the things that they have been through or some things. Okay, so they are going to make sure that they connect with you. Okay, so it's going to be through online. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. And those of you are waiting here for some news regarding to their career. Okay, you guys are getting a certain job offer, or you are waiting something for something, okay, related to your career. Okay, it related to the promotions or career projects or anything that you really want to, like, have a progress in your career. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. So you are going to receive some sort of good news. Okay, it's coming your way, and it's going to make you very happy. Okay, so 8 is and also number 8 is very significant. So this news is going to come into your life in the month of September, when you are not feeling it, okay, anymore. So like you have detached from the idea that you will get it. Okay, and the moment that you are not paying attention to that, you are going to receive that news. Okay, or it's going to take a while. Okay, because I feel like there is going to be slow moving energy also, I'm feeling. Okay, so what's the September month going to be like for you guys? Okay, so if you're drawn to, okay, part 3 or part 3, you can watch that, but I feel like I told you, okay, the progress is going to be a little bit slow, because the moment you are not paying attention to what you truly want, is going to come to you. Okay, this is the energy I'm picking up on with the Knight of Sword energy, and it's going to be something very I'm feeling like it's going to be something very fast moving energy. It's going to change you for the better. Okay, it's going to demand change from you. Okay, so if you are like okay, with the Hierophant, I feel like some of you, you may have a Taurus or a very earth sign energy. So you guys like to take things at your own pace. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. So yeah, so this situation is going to demand the fast moving energy. Okay, so it's not going to be as per you want it, as per the situation was. Okay, you have to just be flexible. Okay, you have to be you have to make some changes. Okay, regarding to the speed, something like that. Okay, that's what I'm feeling here, but your wish is going to be come true. Okay, that's what I'm feeling here. uh what the Knight of Sword is here for, just going to take these two cards. Okay, the Moon card and the Seven of Pentacles. Yes, and also High Priestess and Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords. Okay, um, and Five of Wands. As I told you, someone is very intuitive here. Okay, So whatever that you are manifesting right now, okay, regarding to your career, okay guys, I'm feeling here that the progress that you want in your career is going to be very slow moving, but it's going to give you the result that is going to last for long term, okay. Or if you are doing too much hard work, or you have been doing a lot of hard work from past few months or years, is going to come to you, okay, and you will feel it, okay. That's what I'm getting intuitively about this situation. And the five of wands, there may be some conflicts going on. It's not going to be like a big conflict. I'm sensing here like a little bit of arguments, okay, in workplace or things. You have to stay calm in this situation, okay, because yeah, and don't expect a very negative outcome for yourself, okay. That's what I'm getting here, okay. You feel like it's your intuition, but it's your fear, okay. You have to make a difference between what your intuition is and what your anxiety is, okay. If something that you are feeling is giving you anxiety, it's not your intuition, okay. Intuition doesn't make you feel anxious. I feel like you are worrying about some things. It's going to work out. Okay, it's if it's for your highest good. Okay, that's the message that you need to know for this month. Okay, pile one, and just leave it. Like leave. Just go with the flow. It's going to happen for you. Okay, detach yourself from the expectations. Okay, or from the outcomes. Okay, it's going to help you a lot in this month. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Okay, let's see what your main focus should be for the month of September here. Okay, the Fool in reverse, the Emperor in reverse, and the Chariot. Okay, so the moment I draw this card, I feel like you guys are okay. If you don't see any progress, okay, in your work or any situation or any given project or anything that you are dealing with currently, like you haven't, okay, it was kind of like a new beginning. You have started something new, but it feels like it's not giving you the result that you wanted, or it's taking too long to manifest it into the reality, okay. That's what I'm getting. So don't lose hope and don't try to give up on it, okay. That's what I'm getting with the Emperor in reverse. It's giving you self-doubt energy. I'm picking up on, okay. You are doubting yourself, you are doubting your work, you are doubting your skills, okay. Don't do that. Because with the Chariot here, it's your time. You have to trust in yourself and trust in your progress, okay. It's going to happen, okay. Don't focus too much on outcome, because I told you I sense the very like a slow moving energy. So someone here may be ruled by the Saturn, or Saturn is influencing you right now, okay. Because whatever that you are working on, whatever that you are manifesting, it's something very big, okay. Pile one, so it's going to take some time, okay. It's kind of like it's taking a test, okay. Um, you are being tested right now, okay. Like how patient you are, how badly you want this thing, okay. That's what I'm getting. You might travel somewhere, okay. Also that's what I'm getting here. Nine of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Woman. Yes, so I'm getting this energy of Five of Pentacles here. So if you are facing some currently, if you are facing some financial issues or any issues, like minor issues in your life, it's going to resolve, okay. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. With the Nine of Pentacles energy, Five of Cups here, and Two of Wands, Strength, and Chariot here. Okay, one thing with this Five of Cups energy and the Five of Pentacles, you are not happy with the changes, okay. Pile one, that's what I'm feeling here, okay, emotionally and also material wise, okay. And if you, I'm just getting the advice here for you right now, pile one, that if um, if some people left your side, okay, or some things didn't work out, it was because of your, for your highest good, okay. Because the dreams, the plans that you are making, okay, the places that you want to go, and the person that you want to become, needs people like that. Okay, so if someone is not with you right now, or some things are not with you right now, or some things didn't work out, it's because uh, it's not aligning with your highest good, or it's not aligning with you where you want to be. Okay, that's what I'm getting, because I feel like very big dreamer energy here. So we have the strength here, so definitely someone is here ruled by the, I don't know why, but I feel like very Saturn influence energy here. And you may be a Leo or Cancer here, Aries, and okay. And if you are waiting for a person, that person may have a Aries in their chart, and they are not coming back. Or if you are regretting, why did you trust that person or something like that? Don't. Okay, it's gone, it's over. Now don't focus on that, focus on yourself. It's very important right now, and you have the ability to overcome any challenges. Okay, pile one. So don't ever forget that. Okay, yes. And with the chariot card is going to okay, with the chariot here. Okay, I'm going to clarify the chariot here. You will see some very significant progress. Okay, if you feel the stuck energy from past few years or months even. Okay, and the Four of Cups and the Seven of Cups, the moment you decide what you truly want to do, is going to be like a very smooth, um it's going to be, the process is going to be very smooth. Okay, you don't have to wait anymore. The things are going to be very clear, like what you want to do, where you want to go, what action do you need to take. Because with the Seven of Cups, I feel like you are doubting your path, or doubting if the career or the things that you want are true, are good for you or not. Okay, so you are going to receive that clarity. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here with the Two of Wands energy. And this Four of Cups energy is going to melt away. Okay, that's what I'm getting, because it feels like you are not satisfied with your life right now, and also your past is also affecting that. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Anything else for Palawan? What Palawan need to know? By the Four of okay, if you feel like you are tired, or you need to take some rest, you go for that. Okay, with the Hierophant energy, I feel like you guys have to make a balance in your life right now. That's very energetic balance that I'm picking up on. I feel like you are overworking way too much, or you are not, you are distracting yourself from working on your true goals. Okay, you are trying to distract yourself because you don't see results. Okay, it's like both cases I'm seeing here. So you have to make balance. Okay, you have to make sure that you are giving enough energy to your goals, and also taking time to rest as well. Okay, that's going to help you a lot. It's going to give you the clarity, it's going to give you the direction that you need. Okay, and with the Two of Cups energy here and the Three of Wands, if you're waiting for someone new, I feel like someone new is going to enter your life. Okay, with the Three of Wands, if you are waiting for a maybe this person is going to be someone you are going to connect with on a very deep level. Okay, emotionally. Okay, it doesn't have to be only a relationship. I feel like it can be a relationship or a very good partnership. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Or maybe a someone as you are going to connect with a friend. Okay, that's also I'm getting here. Okay, so you are about to start a new chapter, Palvan. So don't give up on yourself and try to make a balance. Okay, this is month that this is the your theme for you for this month. Let's see that why the Two of Cups is here, King of Cups, and Ten of Cups. Okay, so this is definitely so maybe I feel like you are going to connect with someone who is going to be more than a friend. Okay, and this person may have a strong water energy, or you have, or this person is very emotionally mature. Okay, that's what I'm getting. With the Three of Pentacles, you will meet this person through work, or through work, or when you are totally focused on yourself. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. And it's going to be very good energy I'm picking up on. Okay, so you will be overall will be very happy in this month. Okay, the happy card is here, Ten of Cups energy. Yes, so that's what I have for you, pile one. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I'll see you next time. Bye, love and peace. Hi pile 2, so you chose Four of Cups. This is going to be your reading. I hear for you guys, like there is going to be some sort of twist, okay, in your life. From being very distracted or not not having a clarity to being a very successful or getting a proper direction. Okay, this is kind of theme I'm seeing for you, okay? Pile 2. Okay, let's see. I feel like you guys are very bored, okay? Or you don't like how things are going in your life right now. Yeah. Yeah. Just with the lovers, and so some sort of decision is there, okay? You have to make some decision here, okay? With the High Priestess here and the Seven of Pentacles. So what's this decision is about? So Seven of Pentacles, I told you, you are going to be getting a proper direction where you want to be or where you have to go, okay? Okay, what's the decision is about, Spirit? Can you tell about? Okay. Oh wow, Magician and Five of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay, so okay, decision is about, I feel like there is no like, okay, I feel like piles you guys are trying to manifest your dream life. You are trying to manifest the dream lifestyle for yourself or dream career even, okay? And there are some distractions or someone is giving you a hard time, okay? And with the Queen of Sword here, okay, so you are having hard time like where you should put your energy into, okay, where you should resolve this conflict with these people or with this whatever that is distracting you, or try to focus on your manifestations, or try to focus on building your life or building the foundation, okay, with the Seven of Pentacles here. Answer is very clear with the Queen of Sword energy. You have to let go things that doesn't serve you, okay? I know it's very easy to just say it, but when it comes to actions, it's gonna take a lot to take that action, okay? That's what I'm picking up on with the Queen of Sword energy. And I feel like you guys are very like logical here, okay? So you may have a very Aquarius energy. Aquarius I'm picking up a lot here, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, but I'm picking up on Aquarius a lot, okay? So you guys have a very different style of thinking, okay? And the people that you are with, or this situation that is kind of distracting you right now, your point of views with these people are not matching at all, and you are just way ahead of your time or way ahead of these people, okay? So they can't understand, or they can't seem to understand what you are trying in your life, what you are doing in your life, okay? And with the Queen of Sword energy, I feel like you don't have to tell others, or you don't have to tell these people what you are doing, or what you are meant to be, or what you want to do, okay? Because it's none of their business, okay? And I feel like you should keep your business to yourself, okay? This is also I'm getting here, okay? The very big message for you here, the main advice I would say, because there are some people who may not have a best interest for you or best intentions for you at all, okay? Or they may try to act like a friend, but they are deceiving you or try to deceive you, or they are trying to distract you from focusing on what you want to do, okay? So if someone is coming up like out of a blue, um it's an example, okay? I'm not just saying that this is going to happen. If it's something, someone is coming out of blue and just asking you, oh, what are you are doing, what you're doing with your life, okay? What's up to you, what's your next plan, okay? If you are going to pursue this career, or if you are going to pursue this person, or if you are going to get that project or something like that, if you don't feel confident about this person, don't tell them, okay? Keep things to yourself, okay? This is your energy, because I feel like you know what you have to do, but there is some distractions, okay? You are not confused about your life, okay? And you are going to get the help to finally get out of this distraction, or finally to completely ignore this part, so you can focus on building this pentacle energy I'm picking up on. Okay. Seven of pentacles, seven. Six of Pentacles, and this Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. Okay, truth is going to come out. Okay, the more you are going to focus on this Pentacles energy, there is a success. I told you, from being distracted to being successful. Okay, this is your journey. This is the theme for you. Okay, pile 2, yeah. And six of pentacles. Okay, there are these people may try to put you on a pedestal, or they may try to act like it. Okay, and so they can get information from here, so be mindful of that. Okay, so let's see if the confirmation, like, yeah, Nine of Sword and Ace of Sword. Okay, you will know. Okay, you, so first you have the Queen of Sword energy, now you have the King of Sword. Okay, you guys are very intelligent person, people here. Okay, I am picking up on you. You guys can read people. Okay, you guys can, like, you may be very good at psychology even. Okay, or you may be studying about that. I don't know, I just feel that. Okay, so the Nine of Sword and Ace of Sword, if these people are giving you hard time, they have no right to know what your happiness, what is your happiness, or what is going to give you happiness. Okay, and this is going to come to light if you are not aware of the situation, or if there are some other distractions, you are going to find the way to finally cut it off. Okay, so you can focus truly on these things that truly matters for you or truly meant for you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And before doing something, you have to be very, like, you have to do your fact check. Okay, before you kind of deal with any situation or any people. Okay, yeah, with the Nine of Wands energy and the Knight of Cups energy here, I told you, I don't know why, but okay, Nine of Cups and Knight of Pentacles and the High Priestess. Okay, it's going to be a very specific message for someone. Okay, with the Nine of Wands, I feel like you are so close to achieve your goals. Okay, pile 2. Okay, you have the strength. Please carry on. Okay, please carry on focus on whatever that you are doing right now. Don't focus your energy on this Five of Sword energy. Okay, and I feel like you guys are very intuitive. Okay, I feel like you guys are also logical, but you guys have a very beautiful intuition. Okay, you guys have this perfect balance. Okay, that's what I'm picking up on. And there is someone. Okay, maybe someone from the past may try to come back in. I told you, with the Six of Pentacles energy, they may try to act innocent, or they may try to act like they are answer of your prayers. Okay, for some, I feel like maybe you thought that this person was going to be one. Okay, this person is here for some sort of gain from you. Okay, this person may try to win your attention or try to win your trust, and so they can get whatever they want from you. Okay, but with the Nine of Pentacles energy and the High Priestess, if you are confused about what type of partner that you should have in your life, or what kind of people you should deal with, or you should be with, these people are someone who really prioritize you. Okay, if they are going to say something, make sure that these people do act like it. Okay, I told you, only action speaks louder than words. Okay, this is the thing for you. Okay, that's what I'm getting here, Palsu. If someone is saying very, like, very cutesy thing, where they thinks that very heartwarming, heart touching, very, like, convincing that they truly care for you, but they don't do, then they don't act like it, they are not the people that you should be with. Okay, any connections. Okay, I'm not just picking up, I'm not just saying about the romantic connections. You know your situation best. Okay, so you are meant to be with people who are willing to take a risk, who are willing to take action for you. Okay, who are willing to prove you that you matter, or how much you are important to them. Okay, while just taking actions. Okay, while acting on the things that they are saying. Okay, with the High Priestess energy, and you should preserve your energy a lot. Okay, that's what I'm getting. With the Sun card, is going to be happy overall. Okay, that's also I'm getting here. So you don't have to worry about this small negative things, okay, because with the sun card, it's all going to be just, it's going to overrule this negative energy, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, you should really really, also I feel like you should really you know what the word is, um embrace your uniqueness. Okay, that's what I'm getting. You should really prioritize yourself. You should first, you should be the first person. You should you put yourself on a pedestal, okay, because you are so lovable, you are so amazing person, okay. Maybe there is some things that are very different, that makes you different from others. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't be lovable or you should settle for something very less, okay. That's what I'm getting here. Any final messages for, let me, final messages for part 2 about this month, about the month of September. Okay, Six of Cups. Okay, Empress, and the Four card. Yeah, Six of Cups. So you may hear someone from the past, or you will see, you will feel kind of harmony and balance in your life, okay? Because the impact of Five of Sword is going to be less, okay? And you are going to receive, you are going to start to receive the results of your hard work, okay? So you will see the hard work is paying off with the Ace of Sword here, because I'm seeing success here with the Empress here. Or someone is going to make you feel like you are an Empress, and this is also your advice, that you should make yourself feel like an empress, okay. I mean, feel as if you are very loved and cherished by yourself, okay. Self-love is playing important role in your life right now, okay. You are going to begin a very okay, so while achieving these goals, I feel like you are going to finally start something new, okay. It's going to be very financially stable as well, okay. Or you are going to start something new, or you are going to start attracting new people in your life, okay. That's what I'm getting. So these people are going to make you feel like at home, or these people are going to make you feel like you are very precious person, okay. That's what I'm getting. So 6 6 also talks about self-love and very like self-care, okay, energy, okay. 6 6 6, you have triple sixes here, so definitely make sure that you prioritize yourself. So the more you prioritize yourself, Pathu, the more the path ahead you is going to be clear, okay. The more your goals and everything that is bothering you, okay, right now, or everything is kind of being like an obstacle in your life, is going to be um resolved, because you will see the truth about the whole situation or people, okay. That's what I'm saying. I just saw 13 13, so it can be significant for someone. Or 13 also talk about the card of a devil, right? Devil or death card, okay. So I am seeing here definitely a transformation and a new beginning for you. So I hope you enjoy this reading, and I'll see you next time. Bye, 11 peace. So you chose Nine of Cups. This is going to be your reading. So first thing, I feel like you are already going through a certain situation that is actually very sad, okay. Or you will, okay, before you get a very big blessing, there is going to like you will, okay, something is going to reveal, okay, that will make you sad, okay. That might make you sad, okay, before you get your big blessing, okay. I don't know why, but I'm just picking up a very specific message for you, Patri, um, that so it may resonate with someone, okay. That I feel like it's about a person, okay, that you feel like it's going to be really like a part of your life, like most important part of your life, but you figure out that this person isn't that person, that isn't the one, okay. That's kind of energy I'm picking up on, before you kind of manifest something new in your life, or manifest a new person even, okay. And for the some, I'm just picking up on that, like you may okay, it's a very specific message I'm getting here for part 3. Part 3, I feel like you are going to get some information about the person that you want to be with. Maybe a soulmate, okay? That's what I'm getting. I feel like someone is calling in their soulmate energy, okay? That's what I'm getting. The person that you want to be with, or maybe you want to have a relationship with, okay? You may hear something about them, or you may see something about them in your dreams or something, okay? That's what I'm getting. So it's kind of going to make you very happy. Okay, I don't know why this card wants to come out. Okay. Did you see that? Yes, that's what I was talking about. So you guys are calling in your soulmate, and maybe you guys are manifesting it, or your soulmate is manifesting you right now. Okay, very specific message for someone. Okay, so you are going to hear something from this person. Okay, and I just saw 222. So you guys, okay, anyways, so you have the Nine of Cups energy here. You have the one Magician. So you guys are single right now, or this person is also single. Okay, you are so, you will just kind of know something about this person, or this person is coming in your life. Okay, so September month thing for part 3. Oh, oh. So before this new person comes in, or before this new blessing, before the something that you are manifesting comes in, you are going to get to know some harsh truth about something. Okay, that is definitely going to make you feel this way. I'm not saying that it is going to happen. It may happen, or you may be going through this kind of phase. Okay, or there is a part of you that kind of feels this way right now. Okay, about a certain situation that you worked really hard on, or you worked for it, or you was kind of very committed to this person, or this kind of situation, or this thing, and this didn't work out. Okay, this is kind of like kind of sadness that you carry with yourself. Okay, that's kind of energy I'm picking up on. But it's going to end soon. Okay, with the nine of wands and nine of sword energy. I feel like you guys are closing some very like a karmic chapter, okay, or karmic connection. I don't know why, but it's kind of, it is not really easy to process. Okay, I understand. With the Eight of Pentacles, I feel like you guys are regretting some decision of something. Okay, because I feel like something didn't work out, and you are kind of like, why it didn't work out? I worked so hard for it. I was so committed to this thing or this person. Why it didn't work out? What if it did work out? Okay, this is kind of what if situation that you are in. That's why this Nine of Sword energy is here. Okay, but I feel like something is very way better is waiting for you, rather than just dwelling into the past. You should just prepare for the future. Okay, prepare for the things, prepare for the blessings that are heading your way. Okay, and you will start to see those blessings are trying to like enter your life starting from this month. Okay, that's what I'm picking up on. What path we should focus on in the month of September as well? What is it? Ooh, okay. The Moon, the Page of Pentacles. Okay, and this two. Okay. The Ten of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. You guys are you guys maybe may have a water energy, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, or earth sign energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or fire elements, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo. Okay, so I feel like with the Three of Wands energy, you are definitely manifesting a new relationship for someone that is resonating it so far, or some of you are manifesting a very um some of you are going to uh start something new, or so there is going to be a lot of progress in your career. Okay, that's what I'm getting. That is going to make you feel financially stable as well. Okay, that's what I'm picking up on. And with the Page of Pentacles and the Moon and the Three of Pentacles and the Death card, you are definitely going through some sort of a deep transformation. So be easy on yourself, pile 3. Okay, don't try to be harsh. Okay, if you are doing like a negative self-talk, stop doing that. Okay, it's not going to work out. Okay, it's going to make you feel more miserable. With the Queen of Cups energy, you are a very loving and kind and very innocent person. Okay, that's what I'm picking up on, like kind of very emotional person. So you are already very sensitive person, so don't try to make it hard for you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. With the Page of Pentacles, the all focus is should be on you right now. Okay, nothing else. Okay, if even if you are manifesting a new relationship, even if you are manifesting something new, first thing you should just focus on yourself, because it's going to happen. Okay, even though you don't feel very I told you, you may hear or see about this person in your dream. Okay, or there is going to be some sort of your doing dreams are something is going to play some sort of role. Okay, regarding to some progress in your life. I don't know why, but I'm just seeing that. Okay, it's kind of like opening up your eyes to something that you didn't see before with the Three of Pentacles. So number 3 also very significant for someone. Okay, and Three of Pentacles also talks about you are very talented, so try to focus on that. Okay, try to brush up on your skills. Okay, it's going to really kind of opening a door for you. Okay, if you are feeling stuck, if you are feeling like where to go, I don't know where to go, where to move my energy, or you are trying to just maintaining the balance right now. With the Temperance card in here, I feel like this is going to be over. Okay, this confusion is going to be over. So before this new beginning happen, you have given the time to actually practice on your skills, or just self-care even, or even just improving yourself. Okay, before you start this new chapter. Okay, that's what I'm getting. This is going to happen. Okay, for you. And Ten of Pentacles, I just hear like you are going to make your parents proud, or you are going to receive some sort of support from your family. Okay, also that's what I'm getting. You are going to get money from your family. Okay, even, or you are going to provide money to your family. Okay, I don't know why the Devil is here, the Emperor is here, and Three of Swords in the back of the deck. Okay, don't try to entertain people or things or situation that is breaking your heart. Okay, you are consciously and unconsciously aware of that. Okay, pile 3 with the Five of Pentacles. Just because you are not feeling your best, it doesn't mean that you should break your heart. Okay, you may just go back to things that is trying to control you. Okay, you may have a Aries or a Capricorn in your chart, or your I told you that your focus should be on the money, or like your career or yourself, or building your confidence, because it's going to really help you in this new beginning. Okay, that you are heading in right now. Okay, that's what I'm getting. This new beginning is like you are going to given a opportunity, or even a new project, or you are going to start something new. You may not know that you will start this thing. Okay, it is going to be related something that you are very good at, so you need to really have to be very confident. Okay, and not in this Three of Sword energy. And if something is really hurting you so much, like if it's something it's been hurting you, then it's going to be over soon with the Death card. Okay, it's not going to here to force to stay. Okay, final messages for past 3 about their September month. Again, अगर हुआ world card here. Yeah, I told you, you are closing some chapters. Okay, you are closing some uh, very intense cycles. Okay, right now. So Don't lose hope, stay hopeful, it's going to work out for you. And just like the endings, you are also going to give the blessings of the beginnings as well. Okay. And I also see that some of you are glowing up. Okay, if you are working on your diet, if you're doing something that is making your skin glow, or making your physical appearance glow, it's going to happen. Okay, so be hopeful about that. Okay, you are, I'm definitely seeing a glow up, and also recovery from something emotional or even a physical condition as well. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. So that's what I have for you, pal 3. I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye, 11 days.